Okay, Kieran12334 here, and I will be showing you how to make a fancy doorbell machine. This should work in any version of Minecraft. Anyway, let's get started. So, what you're gonna need is everything you see in my inventory except for the repeater, this, the lever, the repeater, the comparator, the lever, the redstone torch, and the glass. Okay, I guess all you're gonna need is... Okay. Actually, you need the redstone torch. Okay, so you're gonna make a line like that. You gotta do that. And you take the three redstone torches. There. You take dust. Put it there. And then you're gonna make a line of redstone leading to this note. And just do that. How about that? Now, click the button. Yeah, so you have that. And now, if you take your dust and put it into here, you place your dust there. I'm maybe doing something. You can put whatever kind of material you want into it. Very nice. Now you're gonna make some dust. This dust come over to here. Like so. And you're gonna have your note block back here. So now, I'm going to go over to your button. Oh, and I'm not the biggest fan of using the bowl. What I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can get this sandstone. Put it there. That. This works in survival too. Don't spaz out at me if you're like, oh, Kieran, you suck. La. Don't do that, please. Or else I'll feel very bad. I don't like feeling bad because feeling bad's not good. And you're going to have this. You know, I'm going to try glass. I don't like it. You can put glass under to make it like that. Oh yeah, that's good. And this is gonna come to here. Aye. You're gonna go here. See that? And then you need your block. And then that's not a no block. There's that block. Cool. So now, actually, it doesn't have to go. You want that a low? Yeah. And I think this would work. You put a repeater there. I haven't actually tried this, so I'm just kind of experimenting with you guys. Yeah. So I guess if you want a delay, actually, let's put that everywhere. Put a 1 tick delay on everything. I'm going to do that, and then turn that. So now you got this. Or you can just completely not have delay at all. And so, and you now have the world's best doorbell. So someone's gonna walk up. Pretend that's a door. You're like, ooh, button. Hey. Keep it up. Okay. So, guess that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. What kind of redstone video you'd like me to do next. And see you next time. Goodbye.